Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sleep Cots is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for adults who value both comfort and portability, offering a versatile solution for various situations, from accommodating unexpected guests to enjoying a comfortable night's sleep during travel or camping adventures. In this video, we will explore the top-rated sleep cots on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to meet your individual needs and preferences. Number 5. Coleman Trailhead II Cot. Say hello to comfortable camping with the Coleman Trailhead II Folding Cot. It's designed for easy setup and takedown, so you can spend less time assembling and more time enjoying the outdoors. It boasts a strong crossbar steel frame, ensuring stability and support for users up to 6 feet 2 inches tall and 300 pounds. You can rest easy knowing it can handle you. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it's built to support a wide range of users. Sleep soundly knowing it's built to last. Setting it up and taking it down is a breeze. It's designed for quick and easy assembly, perfect for any camping trip. It folds up compactly to fit in most car trunks, making transportation a snap. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. It measures 73 by 35 by 17 inches unfolded and comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. We've got you covered. What we like. It boasts a robust steel frame and can hold up to 300 pounds. Setup is a breeze, so you can relax quickly. If you need a reliable and sturdy cot for camping or guests, this is a great option. What people say. They're heavy. Since these are almost certainly going to be purchased by car campers, that shouldn't be any concern. It also translates into a sturdy frame that shouldn't, ever bend unless a sumo wrestler lays down on it. Comfort. This has no extra taut fabric or support across the small of the back, which translates into an even sleeping surface. I placed a 3-inch thick inflatable sleeping pad I purchased on Amazon on it, and found that I was very comfortable while sleeping. I slept great. It feels sturdy even with both of us on it. It's wide enough to share even though she likes to lay diagonally. She's able to sit and be nosy, stand up and say hi to the neighbors, and lay down to sleep or chew on her toy. Number 4. MARCHWAY Ultralight Folding Cot. It weighs only 4.8 pounds and folds down to a tiny package. You can easily fit it in your backpack for any adventure. Setting it up is a breeze. The foldable design means you'll be ready to relax in minutes. Taking it down is just as easy. It's built to last with aircraft-grade aluminum legs and ripstop nylon. It can hold up to 275 pounds and won't damage your campsite. It provides a comfortable and stable surface to sleep on. The wide cot size and anti-skid feet ensure a restful night's sleep, off the ground. Perfect for camping, hiking, or even a quick nap at the office. It's lightweight and ready for any situation. With its lightweight design and easy setup, it's the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure. Say goodbye to uncomfortable sleeping. What we like. This cot is incredibly lightweight and packs down small, perfect for backpacking or travel. It's also surprisingly easy to assemble and disassemble. If you prioritize portability and minimal weight, this is the one for you. What people say. The small, compact size and weight is wonderful. It travels on the motorcycles easily. I am very impressed with the comfort level of this cot. This keeps you about 4 to 5 inches above the ground, which makes a huge difference if there is moisture or rocks under the tent. It is well designed and assembled so that the bedding is firm but has a little give for comfort. Setup was easy and the materials used seem to be sturdy enough. The sleeping surface is taut and provides somewhat stiff firm support, perhaps gets softer after more uses. At around 27 wide and around 6 inches off the ground, it's wide enough that you don't feel like you are falling off like you sometimes do on some sleeping pads. The base is wide enough as well to minimize the chances of flipping over. Number 3. Sportneer Camping Cot. This cot is perfect for your next camping adventure or even as a comfortable guest bed at home. It's easy to set up and pack away, so you can enjoy more time relaxing. It's made from durable, water-resistant 1200D Oxford cloth, ensuring it can withstand the elements and provide lasting comfort. Keep your essentials close at hand with the convenient side pockets. They're perfect for storing your phone, book, or water bottle. Despite its foldable design, it offers comfortable support. The slightly tilted end provides extra comfort, even without a pillow. It unfolds in seconds and folds away just as quickly. No complicated setup or tools are needed, making it incredibly convenient. This cot is built to last. The strong, thickened tubes provide excellent support and durability, no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or using it as a spare bed, it's versatile enough for any situation. Enjoy a better night's sleep wherever you are. What we like. It features durable Oxford cloth construction and convenient side pockets for your belongings. The slightly tilted design enhances comfort. If you value durability, extra storage, and a bit of added comfort, this cot is a smart choice. What people say. The size and sturdiness is even great for my husband, who is just over 200 pounds and 5 feet 11 inches. I like that it sits up higher, allowing space below for items when camping. My daughter especially loved the pocket which held her remote and book. This cot helped give me some of the best sleep I've gotten on a camping trip. I woke up feeling more refreshed than I have in a while. This cot is soft enough to be comfortable, sturdy so you won't sink into it, does not need to be inflated, and unlike every mattress I've ever owned, won't lose air during the night. So far I've found my cot to be very sturdy, it doesn't budge when I roll over on it. It's solid and very quiet, no squeaking. Mine is rock solid. It turns out that I love the pillow rise on one end. It gives my back some nice relief, so much better than laying perfectly flat, so I lucked out there. Number 2. FE Active Folding Camping Cot. This lightweight cot is perfect for camping, backpacking, or any outdoor adventure. It's easy to set up and folds away compactly for convenient travel. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for those who value portability. You can take it anywhere without any hassle. This cot folds down to a surprisingly small size, making it easy to store and transport. It won't take up much space in your car or backpack. Whether you're an adult or a child, it provides a comfortable place to sleep. It's sturdy enough to support you throughout the night. It's designed to accommodate a single air mattress pad, adding an extra layer of comfort. This makes it even more comfortable for a good night's sleep. It's designed and engineered in California, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. You can trust it's built to last. What we like. This cot prioritizes lightweight design and portability, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. It is easy to transport and store. If you need a lightweight and easy-to-carry cot for your travels, this is a perfect option. What people say. The aluminum tubing is sturdy, the man-made fabric is tough and won't stretch if it gets wet, the seams are well stitched and it requires some thoughtfully placed body weight to set up. Once set up, the cot fabric stretches tight and provides a firm foundation for a sleeping pad. I sleep on my side and back, and this cot provided ample room for me to be very comfortable, whichever position I ended up in. The canvas is sturdy and comfortable, and the frame seems sturdy so far. Easy to set up and take down, and is quite light and compact. Number 1. ATORPOK Camping Cot. Introducing the ATORPOK Camping Cot, your perfect companion for comfortable outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to transport, ensuring relaxation wherever you go. Enjoy customized comfort with its removable cushion. Keep it on for ultimate softness or remove it for better airflow on warmer nights. It folds up neatly into its own carry bag, making it incredibly portable. Take it camping, to the beach, or anywhere relaxation is needed. This cot boasts a heavy-duty steel frame with an X-shaped structure for superior stability and safety. It supports up to 450 pounds, ensuring a secure and restful sleep. Made from durable, double-layer 600D polyester, it's soft, breathable, water-resistant, and easy to clean. Say goodbye to backaches and hello to restful nights. With a large side pocket, you'll have easy access to your essentials, phone, water bottle, and more, all within arm's reach. What we like. This cot offers a removable cushion for added comfort and boasts a high weight capacity of 450 pounds. The durable steel frame ensures stability and safety. If you want a comfortable, sturdy cot with a high weight limit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very comfortable, lightweight but sturdy. Easy to store. The accompanying pad secures at the corners and feels comfortable enough. It transports well and stores easily. Very well made, nice large pocket for stuff, sturdy as well as easy to fold and unfold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.